Welcome to our tour on biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life and the essential interdependence of all living things. We're going to begin our tour in the wetlands area of this 40-acre park. Notice the water and the plants that you find along the water's edge. As we continue inland from the water through the wetlands area, you will notice changes in the environment. Think about the animals that would be living in the wetlands area. We are now entering our second ecosystem, which is that of a forest. Again, think about the animals that would have lived in this type of environment. Biodiversity is very important to air quality, water quality, and soil quality. At one point in time, this park was faced with many threats to biodiversity. Habitat destruction was a problem as local residents used this area as a dumping ground and disposable area for their unwanted items. Pollution was so bad that many of the native plants and animals could not adapt. Invasive species disrupted the ecosystem and food chain and outgrew many native species. Local groups noticed the problem and they stepped up to the plate. They cleaned up, they cleared out, they eradicated invasive species and planted native plants. We now have a park which is very rich in biodiversity. As we leave the forest area, we are going to enter our third ecosystem, that of a vernal pond. A vernal pond is a temporary body of standing water. Today, the vernal pond is dry, but you can notice the type of plants that we have here and think about if we did have a body of standing water here today, what type of life would that support? Thank you for visiting our park.